third class science, birds, food and more, food and more. In previous class we learned nesting habits. Yes, previous class మనం nesting habits గురించి తెలుసుకున్నాం. Nesting habits. Today we will discuss different types of nestings. Different types of nest. Okay? Different types of birds build different types of nest. Yes? The Tyler bird. First, the Tyler bird. The Tyler bird. This bird use its beak like a needle. This bird use beak like a needle. Use beak like a needle to build the nest. Okay, and to see the leaves with materials and like thread and wool. Okay, thread, wool. Take the beak and come and build the nest. Okay, why it's called Tyler bird? This bird nest is made up of, this bird nest is made cozy with cotton. This bird made with materials, with these materials, cotton, wool, hair and dry leaves. These materials use and build the nest. Okay, only Tyler bird only use cozy with cotton, wool, hair and dry leaves. Only these materials use and build the nest. Okay, can you understand? It is a Tyler bird. Okay, Tyler bird use beak like a needle and it use some materials build the nest, thread, wool, cotton, hair and dry leaves. These materials use and build the nest. Okay, next bird, the weaver bird. Next bird, the weaver bird. The weaver bird. This bird makes a beautiful and strong nest. This bird make beautiful and strong nest. Beautiful and strong nest and with the twigs and grass. This weaver bird use twigs and grass to build the nest. Okay, twigs and grass. These materials use and build the nest and it weaves the grass in and out rapidly. The nest hangs from the branch of a tree. The bird enters its home through a tunnel-like opening at the bottom of the nest. The weaver bird. Okay, this bird use the twigs twig and this bird build the nest a branch of tree. This nest is hanging like this. It build hanging like nest. Okay, hanging like nest. The nest hangs from the branch of a tree. The branch of tree ke this nest is hanging. Okay, the bird enters his home. The bird is enters the nest like this. Okay, the bird enters home through a tunnel-like opening at the bottom of the nest. It is a tunnel-like. Yes, it's a tunnel-like nest. The bird is entered to the tunnel pipe like pipe laga undi kada. You can bird is enter the bottom of the nest. Okay, it is a weaver bird. Weaver bird nest. Weaver bird nest like this, a tunnel like. The bird enter the bottom of the nest. The bird enter the bottom of the nest. It's a tunnel like nest. Okay, this tunnel like nest is build a branch of tree. Okay, can you understand? Yes, it is the weaver bird. This weaver bird beautiful and strong nest build and with the twigs and grass. Which materials use and build the nest? Twigs and grass. Twigs means చిన్న 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 కొమ్మలు పుల్లలు లాంటివి తయారు చేసుకొని అలానే గ్రాస్ డ్రై గ్రాస్ని help తీసుకొని these two materials use and build the nest. Okay, it is a weaver bird. Tyler bird use materials cotton, wool, hair and dry leaves. These materials use and build the nest. Weaver bird twigs and grass. These two materials use and build the nest. Next bird, the eagles. The eagle. Okay, eagle bird. Eagle and vultures. Eagles and vultures. These birds make nest by gathering a few sticks. Few sticks ni gather cheskoni nest ni build chestayi. Okay na? Can you understand? Only few sticks. Okay, eagles and vultures are the make nest by gathering a few sticks and simply putting them together the shape of swallow cup. Okay na, like cups like la. Okay na, swallow cup like la build nest build chestundi. Can you understand? Eagles and vultures are gathering few sticks and build the nest. Tyler birds are the cotton, wool, hair and dry leaves use and build the nest. The weaver bird twigs and dry grass use and build the nest. The eagles and vultures gathering few sticks and build the nest. Next bird, woodpecker. Next bird, woodpecker or woodpecker. Okay, this woodpecker pecks a tree trunk. Pecks a tree trunk with his beak or its beak, with its beak to make a hole, and to make its nest cozy. It's make nest cozy. It lines the holes with chips of wood. Okay, can you understand? Woodpecker picks a tree trunk with its beak to make a hole. It is that woodpecker nest. Okay, here see children, it is a tree stem or wood. This trunk, okay, tree trunk. The woodpecker bird picks a tree trunk with its beak, big hole inside of the stem or inside of the trunk. It is a woodpecker home. Okay na, oka tree యొక్క trunk ki big hole పెడుతుంది. హోల్ పెట్టి ఆ హోల్లోనే తన నెస్ట్ లాగా కాసీ లాగా నెస్ట్ హెయిర్ కాటన్ అవి ఉంచి నెస్ట్ లాగా తయారు చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, నో అండర్స్టాండ్? ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ వుడ్పెక్కర్ బర్డ్. నెక్స్ట్ బర్డ్ పెంగ్విన్. ఓకే, penguin collects a few pebbles and stones and to make nest on the ground. Can you understand, children? And penguin birds are they collect the stones అండ్ పెబల్స్, స్మాల్ స్మాల్ వెరీ స్మాల్ పెబల్స్ని కలెక్ట్ చేసి గ్రౌండ్లోనే, ఓకే, గ్రౌండ్లోనే నెస్ట్ని మేడ్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకేనా. పెంగ్విన్ బర్డ్ collect the stones and pebbles and made the nest on the ground. Okay, it's made on the nest ground. Can you understand? These are the nesting, different types of nest. Okay, Tyler bird, weaver bird, woodpecker, and eagle vultures, next penguin. These are the build different types of nest. Tyler bird build a like this type of nest, and weaver bird build tunnel like nest, and woodpecker bird trunk and hold the tree trunk, and eagle and vultures build the cup like nest. Penguin build the nest, collect the few stones and pebbles, keep in the ground and build the nest. Can you understand? These are the different types of nest. Can you understand, children? You can read page number 63 in your textbook. See, children, a Tyler bird and its nest, weaver bird nest, next here some eagles and their nest, woodpecker and its nest, and some penguins and their nest. Some penguins are the build the nest ground. Okay, can you understand? These are the different types of nest. Tomorrow we will discuss caring for the young ones, and how to care the parent birds to young birds. Okay, children, can you understand? Tomorrow we will discuss that topic and read once nesting habits and types of nest. Okay, thank you.